Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to answer another very common Next.js interview question. What is SSG? SSG stands for Static Site Generation. This is one of the most popular rendering strategies in Next.js. So let's break it down in a simple way. SSG means that a page is generated at build time. In other words, Next.js creates the HTML before users visit the website. The generated pages are then stored as static files and served directly to users. Because the page is already generated, the server doesn't need to build it again for every request. Let's imagine we have a blog website. During the build process, Next.js generates the HTML for this page. After deployment, users simply receive the pre-built HTML. No additional rendering is required. Why do we use SSG? The biggest advantage is speed. Since the page already exists as a static file, it can be served very quickly. This often results in excellent performance. Another advantage is scalability. Because static files are lightweight, the server can handle a large number of users more easily, and static files work very well with CDNs. When should we use SSG? SSG is a great choice when the content doesn't change very often. For example, blogs, documentation websites, company websites, landing pages, portfolio websites. These pages are usually updated once in a while, not every second. A simple way to think about it is build time, generate HTML, deploy, serve static files. The important thing is that the page is created before users request it. SSG versus SSR. Now let's compare SSG and SSR. With SSR, HTML is generated for every request. Data is always fresh. More server work is required. With SSG, HTML is generated during build. Pages are extremely fast. Less server work is required. So, SSG focuses on performance, while SSR focuses on serving fresh data. Imagine a company homepage. The content may only change once every few weeks. Generating that page on every request would be unnecessary. SSG is usually the better choice because the page can be built once and served instantly to every visitor. If you want a short interview-ready answer, you can say SSG stands for Static Site Generation. In SSG, pages are generated at build time and served as static files. Because the pages are already built, they load very quickly and can be served efficiently through CDNs. SSG is commonly used for content that doesn't change frequently, such as blogs, documentation sites, and marketing pages. A common follow-up question is, when would you choose SSG over SSR? A good answer is, I would choose SSG when the content doesn't change frequently and performance is a priority. For example, blogs, documentation websites, landing pages, or marketing pages are great candidates for SSG. Alright, that's it for today. SSG is one of the key features that makes Next.js fast and efficient, and understanding it is essential for front-end interviews. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.